Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add hearts overlay to your videos or photos in the CapCut mobile. So in here, I've already imported a photo, but you can also use this for video. So if you want to add the hearts overlay, what you need to do is just use this body effect. So go to effect and then click on the body effects. Now find the selfies category, this one, and in here you'll easily spot there are lots of hearts effect that you can use. For example, I'm going to use this love on fire effect. Click on the effect, and just like that it will be applied to your clips or your photos. Or let's try the in my heart. Okay, so that's how you can add the heart overlay easily on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.